Hello cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are talking about palettes again. Yes, as you have probably already understood by now, this is a continuation from part 1. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, it's gonna be up here, or you can just click on my channel, subscribe, and then you can find it. Okay, are you ready? Let's start! So today I'm starting with Beauty Bay and the Utopia palette, and I'm gonna show you the color scheme right here. It's a very nice palette, and although that it's a kinda new addition to my collection, I have already used a lot of the colors, if you can see right here. I really love the pigmentation that they have. Like, I don't know if you know Beauty Bay formula. If you don't know it, then you need to buy something and find out. I'm very happy, especially with the mattes. They have an amazing payoff, and for 10 euros, I think that I got it for 10 euros. It's amazing, it's super nice, totally recommend this. Next, I'm gonna show you a quite old palette, like I think I have it for 3-4 years or something, but basically I'm a collector, so I don't necessarily use it these days, but of course I cannot just throw it away, and of course I'm talking about this one right here. And let me do my favorite thing. Yes, look at the glitter. Oh, it makes me so happy. And let's see the color scheme. Sorry, I didn't say which palette is this. This is from Sunkissed, the Party Ever After. I think this collection was 2 palettes, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so this is the color scheme. As you can see, I loved the yellow. If you ask me nowadays, I don't think that I reach for this palette like as usual or as often as I used to do it. But still, it's a very nice palette, and I think I bought it for 8 euros back then. So for 8 euros, you're getting how many? I think 16 colors. So yeah, it's a very good palette. Like, not for a very advanced level, but if you are like teenager and you want to experiment a little bit with your makeup and you don't want to spend a lot of money, yeah, this is a very nice investment. Go for it. Next, we have this little gem right here. This is a quad from an American brand which is called Mortis Cosmetica. It's an indie brand and they put a lot of care into their products. Like, look at this color scheme. This palette is called Anti-Valentine's. It's a very nice. I especially loved this pink right here. I received this palette as a PR, but I'm very happy, and you know how honest I am with you, so if it wasn't good, of course, I wanted to share the information. But the thing here is that I don't know what happened with this company. Like, I'm not finding any posts on Instagram, at least, because we had the contact via Instagram, so nowadays I don't know what happened to them, but I will try to get in touch with them and maybe ask them. So I will try to update you either with text or I will write something at the description box, so yeah, keep your eyes open if you're interested. Fourth palette for today is this one right here. I don't know if you can recognize it because yes, I have used it a lot. This is Going Coconuts from Colourpop, and this is actually a gift. Guess from whom? From my friend Aphrodite. And this is the color scheme. I'm sorry I haven't shown it earlier to you. And the thing is that although that it's very neutral, I really enjoyed it and I almost use it every day in order to diffuse the very vibrant and intense colors that I'm using. So I totally recommend this, because especially if you are doing the looks that I like to do, because then you have shades to diffuse the very intense colors and then you have a very smooth and nice transition, and you need this in your life. Before we go to the next palette, I have realized that I haven't told you anything about this makeup. Okay, so if you want to see a step-by-step tutorial, you can search at my channel and then you will find something like a quick makeup or something like that. I have not decided about the title yet. I will leave it up here or down below at the description box. The only thing that I have actually changed is the lipstick, and I have used this one right here from Indie Beauty, the Swedish brand that I love, and this is the shade Zoe. So yeah, this is the lipstick. Beyond that, the whole makeup is in my channel already. We continue with my favorite palette of my collection. This is from the old brand Catlady, not the Kvd nowadays, no. They have done a rebranding, I'm sorry. Anyway, so this brand is not belonging to Catlady anymore. This is, I don't know, independent. This is bought by a bigger company. I don't really keep track these days because I feel that they have lost their aesthetics. So yeah, they have lost me as well. I don't know how important this is for them, but that's a fact. So, from the old Catlady brand, we have this one here, Saint and Sinner, and like this is my favorite. This is such a jewel for my collection. Look at it. First of all, look how much I've used this one. Like, it's totally used. My favorite shade by far, I don't know, it's all these three right here, the metallics. Of course, this one is a perfect color for transition. This one also, I used to do my brows with this one. I don't know what to tell about this palette, like, it's so well thought, so well done. It's still a favorite, and people please tell me, do you want to see a makeup look only from this palette? I know it's expired, I know that, but I really want to use it again, so give me that chance. And let's go and see the last palette for today. So here we have this cute egg from I Heart or I Love Revolution. Anyway, it's a brand that is related to Revolution makeup, so yeah, you will understand what I'm talking about. This was a limited, I think, edition, and this is the egg inside. I know it's very old because it's probably from 2019, if I'm not mistaken, but of course I'm not using it on my eyes because it's very expired and I don't feel very comfortable with that. What I'm doing is that I'm scratching some eyeshadows and then I mix them with white body paint and then I create my body paint. So it's fine if I'm using it on my body, like I don't have allergies, I don't have sensitive skin. I don't recommend this to you, but this is how I can make this worthy, and of course I'm not making extra waste. I know that my collection is huge, so I don't want to make extra waste. I feel kind of bad about that, but yeah, this is what I'm doing, this is my job, so you understand me, hopefully. And now let's go to the word of the day. As you can see in my hands, I'm holding an egg. So can you imagine the word of the day? Of course, it's the word avgo, that means egg in Greek. So say with me, avgo, avgo. Very easy word, right? Great, so as always, I'm gonna ask you to write a comment down below using this word, and the best comment will be in one of my next videos. So that was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the continuation of my collection. Of course, I realized that I have a lot of palettes, so part 3 and 4 are coming for sure. Be subscribed in order to make sure that you're not gonna miss anything. Make sure that you have hidden the bell button as well in order to receive notification and be among the first people that you're seeing my videos. I would love to hear your opinion about A, my palettes, and B, about your collection. Do you have also a big collection? Are you a palette lover like me? Don't forget to give this video a like if you actually like it. And of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is gonna be Catlady Antigoni, if you wanna see this look as well. So again, thank you so much for being here with me today. And till next time, bye bye!